back to Josh's Auto. Today we have a 2012 Chevy Camaro with the V6 in it. The engine has gone bad in it, and we're going to go ahead and start the process of pulling the engine out to go ahead and replace it with a new one. So I've already started unhooking the computer on that side, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to disconnecting the exhaust at the cylinder head, power steering, drain the coolant, go ahead and drain the oil out of it too, and start disconnecting any wire that's left hooked up to the firewall. I'm going to take this one out pretty much with the harness completely intact on the vehicle, or on the engine, not the vehicle side, but on the engine side. for some reason the camera didn't turn on whenever I told it to, so we missed the getting the motor broke free from the transmission and getting the hood off. But that's alright. We've got the motor just about clear of the front bumper here. We'll have it out of the way. And the customer says he has the other motor for it, and he's supposed to be bringing it here in a little bit. So I guess we'll see what he brings me in just a little bit. Get this thing out of the way. Alright, motor's out and on the floor. Ready for the next step.